Strong winds are impacting travel around Wyoming on Tuesday morning as strong, gusty winds pounce on the area. According to Wyoming Department of Transportation, as of 10:30 a.m., Interstate 25 is closed in most areas to light and high-profile vehicles between Cheyenne and Buffalo due to extreme blowover risk. I-80 between Cheyenne and Rawlins is also closed to light and high-profile vehicles. Also affected are United States Route 30 between Rawlins and Cheyenne and US 87 between Cheyenne and Buffalo. United States Route 287 between Laramie and Jackson is also restricted, as is Casper's Outer Drive between Mills and Evansville. The National Weather Service in Riverton is calling for wind gusts over 60 miles per hour in the Casper area, and over 70 miles per hour in parts of the I-25 corridor. Much of central and southern Wyoming is under high wind warnings, and the western area is under blizzard warnings on Tuesday, the NWS in Riverton said.